Hey everyone, मेरा नाम सुमेधा है and welcome to Chalchitra Talks. This week I want to talk about an Indian band which is quickly becoming very beloved and very popular not just in India but also internationally. The band is Peter Cat Recording Co. and it is a Delhi-based band which was founded in 2009 by Suryakant Sahani, who is the lead singer and guitarist in the band. It is now a five-member band and their music cannot be put into any one box because they use a mix of so many elements from old Bollywood style music to psychedelic, jazz, electronic, ballroom waltz, cabaret, you name it. And they also play a lot of instruments from harmonium, trumpets, guitars, keyboards, and drums. And even Shehnai. The name of the band is actually inspired from two sources. The first one was when Suryakant came across this cafe in Calcutta by the name Peter Cat, and he thought that it will go very well with the band's jazz aesthetic. And later he also found out that Peter Cat is also the name of the Japanese author Haruki Murakami's jazz club in Japan. So the band came to be known as Peter Cat Recording Co. The first two songs that I heard from Peter Cat were Clown on the 22nd Floor and Love Demons. Both these songs are from their first album Cinema, and they're a perfect example of Peter Cat's brilliance as a psychedelic jazz band. And also the first music video that I saw by them was for Love Demons, and this is still one of my most favorite videos from Peter Cat. It's a very very trippy and very random video and it perfectly complements the song. Song start होता है एक slow pace में with Suryakant's dreamy vocals, and video में they're showing a guy just walking in a desert with a very unreal sort of beautiful night sky behind him. And then after a few minutes, suddenly the pace of the song changes with a transition tune which I'm sure all of us are very familiar with, and ये वो tune है जो हमने बहुत सुना है in old Bollywood movies for villains. And even the video takes a 360 turn then, and suddenly there's a disco bar sort of setup with a lot of girls dancing in saris around this one very weird sinister looking guy. So the whole video is really fascinating to watch, and अगर आपने video अभी तक नहीं देखा है, please go watch it. In 2018, Peter Cat released the album Portrait of a Time 2010 to 2016, and it's mainly a compilation of their old songs from the initial albums Cinema, Climax, and Wall of Want. And sadly, these albums are no longer available online individually, and इनके सारे गाने भी include नहीं करे गए हैं इस compilation में. Apart from Love Demons and Clown on the 22nd Floor from their first album Cinema, there's only one more song that you can still find online, and it's called Pariquel. It's another great song and has a very trademark Peter Cat gypsy disco feel to it. Coming back to Portraits of a Time album, all the songs are really amazing. So I want to talk about some of my most favorite songs. And the first one I'll talk about is Baby Davya, which is the only instrumental track in this album, and it has Shehnai music in it. It's a very gorgeous track to listen to. The next one is Portrait of a Time, and it starts with a very jazzy and upbeat tune, and towards the middle of the song, it changes into a slower and melancholic pace, and then again it becomes jazzy. And ये जो changes Peter Cat introduces throughout the songs, I think this is one more reason why all of their songs sound so amazing and are so different and refreshing. Next, I want to talk about some of my favorite songs from their latest album Bismillah, which they released in 2019. In this album also, they have included some of their older compositions, almost 6 to 7 years old, which they did not include in their previous albums. And my favorite songs from this album are, first is Freezing, which again, like a lot of Peter Cat songs, is really beautiful lyrics. And the next one is Vishnu, which was actually originally written by Karthik Pillai, another band member, for his solo electronic project Jumblu, and then they ended up later adapting it for Peter Cat. Then there is Memory Box, which is a very old song by Peter Cat, and again in their trademark waltz disco category. And they made a few changes to the original version for this album. And अगर आप YouTube में search करोगे, you can find only the original version, which is actually a live performance by Peter Cat. And the latest version I could find on Spotify, but not on YouTube. Lastly, I can't miss talking about the song Floated By, jiska video is actual footage from Suryakant's wedding. And the cover of the album is also a picture of Suryakant's father-in-law from the wedding. And the title is also inspired by him, as he likes to say Bismillah every time he has a drink. Two more songs that I really love from this album are Hira and We Are Getting Married. We Are Getting Married I could find only on YouTube, and even the video is really beautiful, actually featuring Suryakant and his wife. So this was Peter Cat recording को जिनके गाने सुन के I'm sure we can all agree कि बहुत nostalgic feeling आती है, and also one can feel a lot of mix of different emotions from their lyrics, from their videos, and the overall song. So this was my recommendation for the week, and I would love to know your thoughts, and I'll be back next week with another recommendation.